Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and creating a working config file immediately. You must have Silverbullet CLI and matching node. Once done, create a minimal config. JSON with required keys and default sections. Next, place that file in. Silverbullet or use config to point to a different path. Also export environment variables like SBKEY for secrets so the runtime reads them securely. Make sure permissions prevent world read access and validate JSON syntax before proceeding. You now edit configuration to wire features and plugins. Start by defining core, plugins, routes, and credentials sections following the Silverbullet schema. Once done, run sbconfig validate to catch schema errors and missing fields. If unavailable, run a JSON linter. Use include directives and environment interpolation to avoid secrets in files and to reuse values across environments. When you add a plugin, incrementally enable it and test routes so you can isolate issues quickly. You deploy by restarting Silverbullet with the config flag or triggering a hot reload where supported. Monitor startup logs as services initialize. Once running, test endpoints and plugin behavior to confirm the config took effect. If something fails, check logs with debug flags for stack traces and plugin init errors, then revert to the last known good config if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior changes after edits, run a config diff against backup to pinpoint the exact change that broke it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.